Have you ever felt like you were putting in so much effort day after day, but nothing seemed to change? Like you're walking and walking, but the finish line never gets any closer? That feeling is more common than you might think, and it's one of the biggest reasons people lose motivation when they're chasing long-term goals. Whether you're trying to get fit, learn a new language, build a career, or improve yourself in any way, there are times when progress feels painfully slow, almost invisible. It's in these moments that staying motivated becomes especially hard, but it's also when staying motivated matters the most. Progress isn't always loud or noticeable. Sometimes it's quiet and slow, growing beneath the surface before it becomes visible. Understanding this truth is the first step to staying motivated when the journey feels never-ending. We often assume motivation should be constant, and that if we feel unmotivated, something must be wrong. But motivation works more like a wave. It rises and falls. The key to staying motivated when progress is slow is to learn how to ride those waves instead of giving up when they crash. First, it's important to reframe what progress actually looks like. Too often, we expect visible results to come quickly, and when they don't, we believe we're failing. But real progress often happens in ways that can't be measured right away. For example, if you're learning a new language, you might not be able to have full conversations yet, but your brain is building a foundation, recognizing patterns, storing vocabulary, and adjusting to new sounds. These small, invisible shifts are the roots of future fluency. Without them, the visible progress wouldn't be possible. The same is true in fitness, in building habits, or in emotional growth. The early stages are where the groundwork is laid, and though the surface may look unchanged, transformation is happening underneath. If you only stay motivated by visible results, you'll often quit right before things start to bloom. So one of the most powerful mindset shifts is learning to value invisible progress. Celebrate consistency, not just outcomes. Showing up regularly, doing the work even when it feels pointless, is a huge achievement. It means you're building discipline, which is more powerful than motivation in the long run. While motivation is emotional and fleeting, discipline is a habit you can rely on. Another helpful approach is breaking your big goal into smaller, measurable steps and tracking those instead of obsessing over the final result. When your progress feels too slow, it might simply be that your goal is too far away to measure against. But if you shift your focus to micro wins, like showing up today, improving slightly, or learning something new, you give your brain more reasons to stay engaged. Small wins are fuel for motivation. They create a sense of momentum, even when the destination is still far away. And remember, even slow progress is progress. It might not feel exciting, but it's still movement. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. Sometimes the path is steep and fast, and other times it's a long, flat stretch that seems endless. But each step, even the smallest one, gets you closer. Another key to staying motivated when progress is slow is to revisit your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? What were you hoping to change, build, or become? When progress feels slow, it's easy to forget that original spark. Taking time to reflect on your deeper reason can reignite your passion. Maybe you're studying to create a better future, to gain confidence, to help others, or to prove something to yourself. That why is your anchor. Write it down, return to it often, and let it pull you through the harder days. Also, be aware of the danger of comparison. One of the fastest ways to lose motivation is by looking at someone else's progress and assuming they're doing better than you. But what you see on the outside is never the full story. People share their successes, not their struggles. Someone may appear to be moving faster, but you don't see the hours they put in behind the scenes. Everyone's pace is different, and success isn't a race. Focus on your own path, your own growth. Progress at your own speed, not someone else's. If you need motivation when the road gets long, surround yourself with reminders of how far you've already come. We tend to look forward so much that we forget to look back. But the fact that you're still on this journey means you've already overcome obstacles. Take time to notice that. Reflect on the past week, month, or year. What do you now find easy that used to be hard? What mindset shifts have happened? What knowledge have you gained? Every small change is proof that you're growing, even if you don't feel it every day. When progress is slow, it's also helpful to adjust your pace rather than stop completely. You don't always have to be pushing at 100%. Sometimes, maintaining a lighter version of your effort is enough to stay in motion. For example, if you're too tired to study for an hour, study for 10 minutes. If you can't go to the gym, go for a walk. Momentum matters more than intensity. By continuing in even a small way, you avoid losing your rhythm completely. Staying connected to a supportive community can also help you stay motivated. Being around others who are working towards similar goals reminds you that you're not alone. It also gives you encouragement, ideas, and accountability. Whether it's a study group, an online forum, or a friend who shares your journey, connection helps you keep going when you're tempted to give up. And remember, it's okay to rest. Burnout often comes from pushing too hard without pause. If progress feels slow, ask yourself if you're tired, overwhelmed, or simply being too hard on yourself. Rest isn't quitting, it's preparing to continue. Sometimes a short break helps you return with more energy and a clearer mind. Self-compassion is a powerful motivator. When you treat yourself with kindness instead of criticism, you create a safer inner environment that allows growth to continue. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to a friend. Would you call them a failure for moving slowly? Or would you remind them that growth takes time and that they're doing their best? You deserve that same grace. You can also try visualizing your future self. Imagine how it will feel to look back at this moment from a place of success. Imagine telling the story of how you kept going even when it was hard. This kind of future-oriented thinking can be a strong motivator because it shifts your attention from frustration to purpose. You're not just working for today, you're building something meaningful. Finally, understand that the most meaningful progress often happens slowly. It's in the daily choices, the quiet discipline, the small moments of showing up when no one is watching. It's not flashy, but it's real. The people who reach their goals are usually the ones who kept going when it would have been easier to stop. Progress that feels slow might actually be the most valuable kind because it builds patience, resilience, and depth. So the next time you feel stuck, remind yourself that you're still moving. Your efforts matter, even if you can't see the results yet. Trust the process, believe in the power of persistence, and keep walking forward. Even slow steps will eventually take you to your destination.